In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the December gold futures contract, which has now dropped for a third straight session, dropping to the lowest level since September 19th. Over the past three sessions, gold has dropped by almost 3.7%. And since the record high, which happened on October 30th, that's the record high close, gold has dropped by 7%. The high today, 26.33.40, that was up 0.6%. The low today, 25.95.70, that was down 0.84%, so about 0.8%. And as we get into the close, there's a little bit of time left in the session. We're still down right around 0.5%, just barely hanging on to that $2,600 an ounce level. Dollar strength is part of the reason for it. The dollar hit a high, a 7-month high in the aggregate today, gaining more than 1% against the pound, 0.75% against the yen, about 0.4% against the euro, about 0.25% against the Swiss franc. Even the Canadian dollar lost against the US dollar by a little bit more than 0.1%. On top of that, gold alternatives are still doing really well. Bitcoin stocks and treasury yields all moving higher. I mean, stocks are lower today, but since the election, for example, the S&P 500 is up about 3.3%. Bitcoin's up about 16.2%. That includes today's small sell-off, failing to hit $90,000, but still getting close, about 89,000 and change. And yields are rising double digits, with the probability of rate cuts through 2025 continuing to decrease. When you look at U.S. Treasury yields, they were up double digits on the 5-year and 10-year today. The 2-year as well was up 11 basis points. So all of those things contributing to a sort of lighter long position or less of a belief in the long position for gold.